Today, we've got something incredibly exciting to unbox. Meet the GT3 series, the game changer that's redefining what a super scooter can be. This isn't just an upgrade, it's a full-on revolution in personal mobility. So, if you're ready to ride into the future with a machine that combines raw power with cutting-edge technology, stick around as we dive into this unboxing experience. Inside the box, you will find the GT3 Pro Super Scooter to assemble, product manual, user manual, important information, and accessories include 4mm Allen wrench, 5mm Allen wrench, a charger, hanging hook, valve stem extension, and 8 M6 screws, 2 for backup. Place the super scooter on flat ground and unfold the kickstand. Unfold the stem and close the release lever. Be careful not to pinch the wires inside the stem while unfolding. Slide the handlebar and the wires into the stem with the headlight facing forward. Make sure the wires inside the handle on the stem are connected. Align the hanging hook with 2 screw holes on the rear of the stem. Pre-tighten 6 screws in order by Allen wrench. Then, fully tighten all the screws in the same order. Wiggle the quick release lever and the handlebar to make sure it is safely secured. Lift up the folding latch and open the quick release lever. Then, fold the stem. Before activation, please make sure that you have downloaded the Segway Mobility app and created an account. Charge the super scooter for 3 seconds to activate the battery before the first use. Then, power on the super scooter. After powering on, the screen will prompt that by squeezing the brake lever for 3 seconds, you can skip the activation step and enter test ride mode. Let's activate it to experience more features. Scan the QR code displayed on the dashboard via Segway Mobility app, or tap Search Vehicle and pair with your super scooter shown. Then, complete the activation in accordance with the guidance. Follow the instructions to watch the riding safety video. Tap to activate the super scooter. Now, ready to ride. Before you start, make sure to wear protective gear and check the brakes. Rotate the right control knobs clockwise or counterclockwise to switch between speed modes. There are 4 riding modes with different speed limitations: Eco Mode, Sports Mode, Race Mode, and Walk Mode. You can also customize your preferred riding mode in the app according to your needs. When the starting speed is set to be more than or equal to 3 km/h, the super scooter will automatically enter park mode if the super scooter has not been ridden for 6 seconds, and the throttle will be locked to prevent accidental throttle rotation. The park mode can be cancelled by just pressing the brake lever once. Turn on the hold on slope function on the app. And then hold the brake lever for 3 seconds. The super scooter will lock the motor wheels to prevent it from rolling backwards on a slope. The screen will display H. Press the brake lever once to cancel the hold on slope function. When the super scooter is in single drive mode, press and hold the left control knob for 2 seconds to activate the 2-wheel drive mode. The icon will display on the screen. Press and hold the left control knob for 2 seconds again to switch it back to rear wheel drive mode. The 2-wheel drive mode icon will disappear. Press the right control knob once in race mode and 2-wheel drive to activate Ultra Boost. Twist the throttle to use Ultra Boost. Then the super scooter will move forward with added acceleration. The energy level of the Ultra Boost power bar on the screen will decrease. When the energy of the Ultra Boost power bar runs out, the Ultra Boost will end. You can also end it by pressing the right control knob or switching to another speed mode. Please note that the super scooter will need some time to recharge its energy before using Ultra Boost again. Rotate the left control knob clockwise to switch between low beam, high beam, auto headlight mode, and off. Rotate counterclockwise to go back to the previous light mode. Please note that the auto headlight mode needs to be enabled in the app. Switch to auto headlight mode. The headlight will turn on and off according to the environmental brightness. Press the left turn signal to turn left. Press the right turn signal to turn right. Press and hold the left or right turn signals to turn on or off the emergency flashers. Press the button to use the horn, or you can use the physical belt underneath. When the super scooter speed is over 3.1 miles per hour or 5 km per hour, press the left control knob to enable cruise control. When cruise control is enabled, the icon will light up on the screen. Then, the super scooter will cruise at a constant speed but will not decelerate when the throttle is released. Squeeze the braking lever, switch to another speed mode, twist the throttle, or press the left control knob again to end cruise control. When cruise control is disabled, the icon on the screen will disappear and cruise control off will be displayed on the screen. Enable incoming call notifications via Segway Mobility app and allow to access contacts of your mobile phone. After connecting the Super Scooter to the app and the power on state, when there's an incoming call, the number and the caller ID will be displayed on the screen. If the incoming call is answered or hung up through your mobile phone, the notification on the screen will also end. Enable the scheduled charging function through the app, and charging can be carried out within a specified time period. Plug the charger into the Super Scooter, turn on the scheduled charging switch in the app, and set the start charging time and the end charging time. After the preset time is reached, it will automatically start charging within the time period. If you need to fully charge the battery, please tick the checkbox below. After the scheduled charging is turned on, if you need to charge immediately, you can click the Charge Immediately button in the app, or press and hold the brake lever for 3 seconds, and the vehicle will start charging directly. When the battery level is below 30% and the Super Scooter has now been used for 7 days, it will automatically enter sleep mode. Or, when you go on vacation and won't use it for a while, you can also let your Super Scooter enter sleep mode manually through the app. In sleep mode, you won't be able to turn it on. Charge it for 3 seconds will reactivate the Super Scooter. Enable the locking function through the app and choose to set either the digital code lock using 4 digits as a passcode or the pattern code lock using 4 to 8 consecutive actions as a passcode. Give the passcode on the app and complete the verification on the Super Scooter. Then you can lock it with this passcode. After the Super Scooter is locked, it will display the unlocking interface each time when it's turned on, so you can then unlock using this preset passcode. Enable AirLock with Segway Mobility app and pair up the Bluetooth of your mobile phone by following the step-by-step guidance in the app. When the battery gets close to the Super Scooter with the mobile phone and enters the sensing range of Bluetooth, it will detect and connect to the mobile phone, then unlock automatically. After unlocking, the indicators will double flash and the rider can ride the Super Scooter away directly after powering it up. The GT3 series works with Apple Find My. Activate the Find My function on the Segway Mobility app. Go to the settings, choose Locating Vehicle, and agree to use the function. Pair it with your Super Scooter and you will automatically jump to the Find My app. Add the Super Scooter and get ready to be creative. In the app, you can name your Super Scooter. Done? Great. Now you can locate your Super Scooter via Find My app on your iPhone. Remove the charging port cover by unscrewing 5 small screws. And take off the 2 M6 screws from the Super Scooter. First, install the battery adapter with these 2 M6 screws. Insert power plug of the battery into charging port. Fix the external battery to the adapter with 4 M5 screws. After installing the external battery, you can charge it and the Super Scooter at the same time through the right charging port on the external battery. And you can charge your mobile phone through the Type-C outlet on the left side. If you have any questions, please get in touch. Thanks for watching.